Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I want to go through my makeup, skincare, body care empties. If it sounds like I have a cold, that is because I do. I have a sinus infection. I'm taking medicine, but it just will not go away. But anyway, I want to talk about these products. Some of them are declutters also. First up, I have the Thayer's Milky Toner. Now, I love this toner. It's super hydrating. My skin is soft afterwards. I don't really need that many more skincare products after I use this, but I've had this for about 3 years, so it's time to let it go. I believe the shelf life is on here. Yeah, 12 months after opening, so that's what that little thing means, is after you open it, if it says like 24M, then it's good for about 2 years. But I've had this for so long in my old house, and I've lived in this house for 2.5 years. So it is time to go. Maybe sometime I can get a new one. I'm gonna keep an eye out for minis. I don't know if they have minis for Thayer's Milky Toner. I know they do for the other toner. Next up, another declutter is the Murad Cellular Hydration Repair Cream. Very hydrating. It soothed my skin and I really liked how it pumped out. So then you weren't digging in there, but if you look, it is definitely off color. It was already like a little off-white or whatever, but now there's like yellow in there. And I did use it and I broke out really bad. Like I burned my skin, ruined my skin barrier. This is 6 months. So yeah, it definitely has to go. I've had this for 2 years. Next up, I have the Cosnori Eyelash Serum. I used this once and my eyelashes started to fall out, so I immediately stopped. This was the only thing that was different that I was using. I don't know if I'm allergic to something in there. I really liked the applicator. I thought it was pretty cool. It has like that tip and it's a clear one. But yeah, I don't know, my lashes started falling out and I can't have that. I barely have lashes, so. And then an empty is this Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Cosmic Black. I love this shade. There's just something different, I think, about the formula than the normal Sky High. It's like silky. I don't know, I might be wrong, but to me it feels silky, and I really love the applicator on these Sky High mascaras. They're super bendy and they really get in there under the lashes, and it does last all day. And even if I like fall asleep with my makeup on, I know that's bad, but even if I do, I don't have like the raccoon eyes afterwards. Empty. I have to get another one. Right now I'm trying to work through, I got this in shade brown. Try and keep it natural for the summertime. Another makeup empty is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I was really impressed at how I finished this. This is like my second or third one, and I seriously, whoa. It's such a nice powder. It keeps your under eyes, they don't feel cakey. It's like lightweight powder. It smooths them out. It does leave my under eyes a little warmer than the rest of my face, so I try not to use it that much. I'll probably keep it as like a summertime powder and maybe just stick to my like whitish translucent powders. I know this is light, but it was just, I don't know, it had this little pink tone to it. Some skincare empties, these are actually the same thing. I just keep this little bottle because I was refilling it with this for like traveling and stuff. But this is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This did wonders to my skin, and I can tell that I don't have it. I finished this like a month ago. That's how long it's been since I've had these empties. But I like the dropper. It's all glass. I was just really sad that I finished it. It's made my skin like kind of glowy. I also put this on my neck, and sometimes I put it on my chest. It really depends on like the texture. It did help me with my texture. I don't know if that is what it claims to do. I actually can't read the back. I don't know. I've had this for so long. Everything is like coming off of it. Next up is the Bath & Body Works body wash. This is the Thailand Sweet Kiwi and Starfruit. I don't really remember it. It smells really good. I remember it now. This has been empty for so long, and I bought like a huge one from Walmart, so like I haven't really had a body wash empty in a while. This smells really good. You can really smell the kiwi. I don't know what Starfruit smells like. I don't know. It smells really good. This would be a really good summer body wash. I do find though that like the overly scented ones, I don't feel as clean. So I don't know if I need to mix like an antibacterial soap in there somewhere, but this is a good one. I did like the scent and I could smell it afterwards. I do remember that. The next empty I have is the Juno Co Lip Milk. I know that when I use lip plumpers, like testing them out, when I take them off, I immediately put on this lip milk. It seriously soothes them. It makes it so my lips aren't like all peely and stuff. Next up is the Bubble Morning Rays Brightening Eye Cream. So it is a little pump. This was like part of their Christmas, like their little sets or whatever. The pump stopped working, so I don't know if the pump stopped working or there really wasn't that much product in here. I got maybe a week's worth out of this. My eyes were brighter. I wish I could have tried this for longer. Next up, we have the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And I've already repurchased another. I got the big one this time, because I use this all the time. I use it to take my makeup off, or if I'm doing different lip combos. It's so soothing. It doesn't irritate my lips, doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't dry out my skin either. I don't really use it that often on my eyes though. My eyes are very sensitive. So I go in with my oil cleanser, which is another one that's gonna be an empty soon, but I'll just talk about it now. Is the Ilso Natural Mild Cleansing Oil, Sesame Seed Oil, Anti-Sebum P, and an LHA. Watery oil type, which I like this. This is the only one that didn't dry my skin out, even if I used it every single day. Now, I have 2 of these. e.l.f. Woah Glow shades Sunme. I don't really remember them. My sister was actually asking me about these the other day, and I remember them having a slight tint to them and kind of like glowy. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Okay, yeah, so I was right. It does give a glow. I don't think it does anything as far as like coverage. Last up is the Kosas Dream Beam. This is also an SPF. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. It is SPF 40. I feel like this one is scented and it did bother my eyes a little bit, but I used it as much as I could. What it looks like before you blend it. Yeah, it's very scented. This is what it looks like. It does give a tint to your skin, this nice bronzy glow. I did wear it a lot, but I just have other ones that I was reaching for. I do recommend it if you want like a glowy bronzy look and you only want to use sunscreen, like tinted moisturizer type thing. This is definitely where it's at. It is scented like flowers. So if you are sensitive to smells, this probably isn't the one that you want. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Anyway, that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will probably do these videos once a month or every few months, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!